In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to your Shopify header. This quick tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their online store's visual appeal. Now, let's dive right in and make your Shopify store stand out. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin page. Once there, navigate to your store's homepage. This is where you start customizing the appearance and functionality of your online store. From the Shopify admin dashboard, you'll notice a sidebar on the left. Click on Online Store. This will open up a sub-menu where you can see various options related to your store's theme and design. Next, locate and select Customize. The Customize option is your doorway to editing your theme and adjusting various elements, including the header where you'll be adding your image. After entering the customization area, look for the theme settings icon and give it a click. This will open up a panel showing different settings you can modify within your current theme. Now focus your attention on the logo section. Clicking on logo will allow you to upload and manage the image that will appear in your header. Within the logo settings, you'll see a button titled Select. Click this button to proceed. At this point, you'll need to choose the image you want to add to your Shopify header. If you haven't uploaded your desired image yet, you can do so now. Simply navigate through your files to find the image you want to showcase on your site's header. Once you've selected the image, confirm your choice by clicking on Done. This action will close the image selection panel and return you to the theme editor. Before finalizing your changes, it's a good idea to adjust the width of your logo to ensure it aligns well with your website's design. Look for the desktop logo width setting and modify the width as needed to suit your preferences, ensuring it complements the rest of your site and remains visually appealing. Finally, don't forget to save all your changes. Click on the Save button, located at the top right of the screen. This ensures that your logo is securely added to your Shopify header and that all design tweaks have been successfully applied. Refresh your store's homepage to check out how the new image looks in the header. And that's it, you've just learned how to add an eye-catching image to your Shopify header. By following these steps, your store will have a more personalized touch, helping it stand out to visitors and potential customers. Thank you for watching, and I hope your Shopify store looks fantastic.